I told them!
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I told them, I tell them again. Now I've got God's ear.
Told who? What?
Mr. Milton and Mr. Ross about the bank robbery, and I wanted them to kill you.
You did what?
I loved you, you goddamn bastard! Go on, shoot me!
She ain't worth it. You told on me.
Oh,
You
you're not so
played
big now,
me.
are you?
What? Calm down. Arthur, get her out of here. You know the
Oh,
rules.
not so big now. Are we, Your Majesty?
You...
She knew the rules, Arthur. What the hell is wrong with you? Mr. Pearson, Mr. Williamson, get this body out of here and get it burnt.
Okay.
Now get back to work, all of you!